Welcome to 340 Guilford Street. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath bungalow with a fence yard, covered front porch, and updates inside is located in West Columbia, near Highway 378, convenient to I-26, Riverbanks Zoo, and downtown Columbia. So we're out front. You can see there is a fence yard. Fencing does start in the front, continues on around to the back. It sits on a street that does end, sort of a dead end street. So you can see a nice size yard here, covered front porch. And we'll take a look inside. So you have hardwood flooring throughout most of inside. A few minor updates as well. You have a ceiling fan in the living room as you enter. So nice sized living room. And your kitchen is to the left here. It's an eat-in kitchen. Dining area here. You have an included electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher here as well. And then out the back door of the kitchen here, through that door you can see the laundry connections, washer and dryer hookups here, and then your access to the backyard. So the backyard, you have a patio, and then a larger backyard area that is fenced around here as well. There also is a storage shed there. So going back inside, we'll take a look at the bedrooms. So we have sort of a central hall, and all the bedrooms in the 1-bathroom are off of that hall. We'll just start on our left here and go around. So you have bedroom number 1 here. And it sort of backs up to the kitchen. All of them have pretty much roughly the same size closet, one of sort of a standard size older closet in a home like this. Tile flooring here in the single bathroom. You have a single pedestal sink and a shower and tub back here. And then bedroom is number 2 and 3. Complete the home. So again, the address here is 340 Guilford Street in West Columbia. You can find out more information about this property by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.